Now you just cut some tomato up, slice it and wash it properly, then dice it. After 15 minutes, remove the potato and mash them. Put butter and salt. Seasoning we're going to use today is onion, garlic and pimento seed, all purpose, and some dry thyme. Today we're going to make macaroni and cheese with mince beef. You can use any macaroni and cheese. We're going to make it from the box. Put to boil. After 10 minutes, when the macaroni get white like this, after 8 minutes, it's ready. Add oil. Now add mince. Add the seasoning there. The stove should be at medium high. Just after 1 minute, I put the onion in the middle because I want the onion to saute. Just after a minute and a half, I'm going to add the macaroni. Some basil and a little parsley. Now the best part, the cheese, the powdered cheese. Now would be a good time to turn the stove on low and cover it for about 30 seconds. So just after about a minute, it's ready because I turned it down very low, and now you can just leave it. It will, the cheese will melt. Macaroni and cheese with beef mince.